Okay, now we're integrating some more complicated functions. All we have to do is do these one part at a time. So integrating 5x squared will be 5x cubed over 3, raised to the power of, raised by 1, and then divide by the new power. Second one, well, that's x to the power 1, so that's 3x squared divided by 2, and this, if you think about it, is x to the power nothing, so that's 1x to the 1 divided by 1, which is just x. Don't forget the constant term, plus c. So now our final answer is 5/3 x cubed plus 3/2 x squared plus x plus c. We'll do a second one of those so you get the hang of it. So here's a slightly more complicated one, but once we're differentiating, we should have 9x to the power 3 divided by 3 plus 3x plus, now looking at this one, that's x to the negative 2, so adding 1 onto that gives 3x to the minus 1 divided by the new power of negative 1, and then don't forget the c on the end. So that's 3x cubed plus 3x minus 3 over x, because x to the minus 1 is 1 over x, plus c. Okay, first of all, I'd like you to integrate this function. That's 12x cubed plus 3x plus 2 with respect to x. So here's your solution. So we'd have 12x to the power 4 divided by 4. Add, because that's x to the power 1. We've got 3x squared over 2 plus 2x, don't forget your constant term c. 12 divided by 4 is 3, so we've got 3x to the power 4 plus 3 over 2, lots of x squared, plus 2x, add c. Here's a much more challenging one for you to integrate. 9x to the power 5 plus 6 over x to the power 4. Now on these trickier ones you may wish to go back to rewriting it as 6x to the negative 4. It might make it a bit for you, but once we integrate, the rules are the same. So 9x to the power 6, don't forget to divide by the new power. This one, 6x to the negative 3, don't forget to divide by the new power, which in this case is negative 3. So that now gives me 3 over 2, that's what 9/6 is when you cancel it down, x to the 6. Positive divided by a negative is going to give me negative 6 over 3 is 2, and we're going to put the x to the negative 3 back onto the bottom again as just x cubed, and don't forget your c, which I can't remember if I'd missed that out in the previous video. Did I? Hopefully not. Mustn't forget to put it here as well. That's much tidier. There, done.